Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegan truffles. First, gather your simple ingredients like dark chocolate and full-fat coconut cream. This recipe is surprisingly easy and yields incredibly rich, decadent truffles that everyone will love. We'll focus on creating a smooth ganache, which is the heart of any good truffle. Get ready to impress your friends and family with these delightful, plant-based confections. For our vegan truffles, you'll need about 250 grams of good quality dark chocolate, ideally with 70% cocoa solids, chopped finely. You'll also need 120 milliliters of full-fat coconut cream, not the light version. A small saucepan, a heat-proof bowl that fits over it, and a whisk are your main tools. Optionally, you might want a rubber spatula and a small scoop for shaping. To start, gently heat your coconut cream in a small saucepan over medium-low heat until it just begins to simmer around the edges. Do not let it boil vigorously. Remove it from the heat and pour it directly over your finely chopped dark chocolate in a heat-proof bowl. Let this sit undisturbed for about 2 minutes, allowing the heat to melt the chocolate. Then, whisk it slowly until it transforms into a smooth, glossy ganache. Once your ganache is smooth, cover the bowl and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours, or until it's firm enough to scoop. Then, use a small spoon or scoop to form 1-inch balls. Roll these in cocoa powder, shredded coconut, or chopped nuts for a beautiful finish. Store your finished truffles in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 1 week. They make fantastic gifts or a special treat for yourself. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.